Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. As predicted in my last video, however, Bitcoin trading is not prediction, this is pretty much a gambling and every trader is trading the best opportunities depending on what charts are telling us. And as you remember from this last video, however, I also started warning you in this video guys that Bitcoin price is going down. As we can preview in this video, I explained you and gave you 3 reasons why Bitcoin price will fall from here, and Bitcoin's price at the time, as you can see here guys, it was 30,338, and many of you contacted me, you asked me on Patreon. And by the way guys, if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to my Patreon by going into my channel or under any of my video you can see become a Patreon. There I will be sharing from now on also my signals, kind of signals, or what I am doing in trading and how I am trading Bitcoin. So as I decided to open a small trade, I also opened on Bybit a small trade. Here I opened a long trade at $28,072, as you can see here guys. And in this video I'm going to explain you why I opened, and I will also be trading this trade, and we will try to get this account up from $480 to $10,000. That will be the main target, and you will be able to follow and see how I am trading. And this will be pretty much day trading account where I will be trading depending on movements on Bitcoin chart. As you can see, currently this trade is in minus $12, and I'm trading on very big leverage guys, which I shouldn't suggest to any one of you. I want to grow this account a little bit faster at the very beginning, but then we will go back to smaller leverages when we will pump this account a little bit up guys from $480. I just want you to be transparent guys, and I will be showing you how I am doing when we will have a losing trades and when we will have trades when we make money actually. As you can see, currently Bitcoin's price is currently pulling a little bit back. However, in this video, like I mentioned, I will explain you why I opened this trade. And as you know guys, whenever I am trading, I'm trading not only by looking at candles chart, but I'm also trading by looking at Heikin Ashi chart. If you click here on candles at the very top, you will be at the candles. This is like candles where you see all movements up and down, and currently I'm in 1 hour chart. And if we go to Heikin Ashi chart, this is which I'm trading. Here in Heikin Ashi chart, now I am kind of seeing that there is a huge resistance, rather huge resistance for short time trading. For short time trading, keep this in mind. And now I opened this trade, which I opened at 28,072, and I opened only for one reason only, because here we are having a resistance, and here I'm waiting a small pullback which will pull back to this 50 EMA. I made this trade riskier also because of the reason here on 1 hour chart we also start drawing a huge divergence. Price has dropped, but RSI starting to move up, and I believe that this is a good time for a pullback, and I expect pullback to go up to about 28,700, or even it could go up to 29,000. So one of the main things in trading guys is to understand the trader's psychology. When this price drop started, as I explained you in my last video, and I believe many traders who are traders, they saw this, and many other traders entered short position. When Bitcoin price started to pull back, many traders entered now and they are in short positions, and this means that market makers, they will want these short positions to be closed, and what they will be doing to close or pretty much liquidate these short positions is by pullback, and that's what exactly I am expecting, a pullback. And on this pullback I will be exiting this trade which I opened. Like I mentioned guys, if you are interested, I will be sharing from now on. You can join my Patreon or become a Patreon, as I will be sharing more information there on what I am doing and how I'm trading when I'm opening and when I'm closing my Bitcoin trades. If you are interested, you can click on become a Patreon on my channel or under any of my videos. There's my Patreon link. There you will be able to follow me and on these trades. However, I will also be continuing to make videos on this trade, what is happening and how we will be going up from these $480, how I will be trading it up to $10,000. Like I mentioned, I just want you to see the failures and successes, how we are growing this account from $480, and let's see how will it go. So yes guys, this is pretty much a quick update. As you can see that currently RSI is very oversold, so as it is drawing a bullish pattern. Bullish pattern means that RSI is going up and price is coming down. As you can see from here, we already on RSI were heavily oversold, and now RSI is starting to pull back up and price has pulled down. This means that we are drawing a bullish pattern, and I am expecting a small pullback on which I will be exiting, and from there we will see what will happen, how strong will be this pullback. As in trading, you can't measure all moves, as you need to see the strength of the move which is going on, because if this pullback will be strong, it might go up to 30,500 where we were previously. In that scenario there will be another conditions. I might not be expecting Bitcoin's price to go down, but in that scenario I might expect Bitcoin's price to go to 32,000 before it continues down. But let's discuss this as this Bitcoin trade will be going on, and let's see what will happen in future. And like I mentioned guys, I will be keeping you informed on this trade, and let's see how this trade will go, as many of you asked me to make more videos on Bitcoin trading. And if you are my Patreon, you also know guys that on my Patreon all my last calls, which were big calls because I was making only big calls on my Patreon, they were correct and they worked out exactly as I told you on my Patreon page. So yes guys, this is pretty much what I wanted to share with you in this video. Hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.